Here we are. It's Aste Nagusia. We do it in style. Aste Nagusia is, for us, our great cultural and leisure event, with one of the most important free public leisure programs in the south of Europe. As it is announced in the poster of this 41st edition, Gure Mundua, Bilbao is our world. It is a honor to host and be part of this international festival, an honor to be the festive capital of the world. Welcome one and all to our city, because we in Bilbao are great hosts and hostesses. We open our doors to all styles and ways to have good fun. But attention, always with moderation, with respect for the people who live next to the festival area, while not forgetting to look after Bilbao as if it was our own home. There are nearly 1,000 program activities: music, theatre, culture, Herri Kirolak, local sports, theatre, Txosnas, fairground, circus and sports for all ages. As always, there is something to do for everyone during these 9 days: children, boys and girls, teens, young people and the elderly. Even those who are absent, whose heart is in Bilbao but live elsewhere, those who have recently arrived and those who want to immerse themselves in the festival no matter where they are from. In Aste Nagusia, the festival is synonymous with respect, diversity, participation and integration. Of course, in Aste Nagusia, we say no to the lack of civility, no to fights and thieving, no to xenophobia, and a very emphatic no to violence against women, to sexual aggression and to LGTBI phobia. We want Aste Nagusia to show the world who we are and who we want to remain. Zorionak Marijaia, Zorionak Bilbao.